Hey guys, hello and welcome to Automation School, your source of information for everything related to YouTube automation. We frequently post videos that are aimed at helping you grow your very own cash cow YouTube automation channel by sharing our knowledge and experience in the field. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out our other videos if you want to learn more about YouTube automation. So, today's topic that we will be discussing in the world of YouTube automation is keyword research. We will be explaining what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to your advantage to grow your YouTube channel and blow up. Not physically, of course. Whenever a user types something into the search bar, the phrases and words that they type are referred to as keywords. These keywords will then be sent through YouTube's search algorithm to find videos that match these keywords most appropriately by finding videos that have the same or similar keywords in the title, description, or tags associated with the video. Using keywords that are relevant and related to your video helps YouTube put your video in front of the viewers who want to watch it. Pretty simple, right? Now, some keywords have a higher competition than others, and some have a lower competition. You may be wondering what this means, but don't worry, we will explain it. A high competition keyword, which by the way doesn't have to be a single word, as it can be a phrase also, refers to a search query that is very commonly used and associated with videos. As such, this means that there is a high amount of competition related to the specific search query. For example, broad and general questions that are often high competition keywords are phrases such as how to cook or music video. As you can imagine, there are tons of videos that might have these words featured somewhere in the title, description, or tags. As a result, when a user inputs this search query into the YouTube search bar, YouTube will then return that gigantic list of videos. The more videos that are returned and associated with a query, the less likely a viewer on YouTube is to watch any one video associated with that term. So, when a keyword or search phrase is of high competition, it means that there are tons of videos already associated with that search term basically. Obviously, low competition keywords on the other hand refer to search phrases that are much more specific and as a result, have much fewer videos related to them. These keywords are oftentimes longer phrases, such as how to cook a vegan lasagna instead of simply how to cook, which we already determined was a high competition keyword previously. Since there are fewer videos using these keywords, it can be easier for a new video to enter the pool of videos associated with this term. Now that you understand the concept of low versus high competition keywords, you may be wondering how this can relate to your YouTube channel growth into an automated cash cow channel. Well, simply put, low competition keywords are much easier to rank well for. Since there are much fewer videos associated with these keywords, it is generally easier to appear in the returned search results when a user searches for the associated keyword. This means that if you optimize your video using low competition keywords, you may have a better chance of appearing at the top of search results and thus attracting more views or visitors. Who wouldn't want that? One important thing to note, however, is that low competition keywords often have a lower search volume, as expected. A bit of research is needed to find the perfect keyword to use, as sometimes you can actually gain more traffic by using a high competition keyword as opposed to using a low competition keyword. Don't worry though, we will explain how you can do this research yourself. Ideally, you will want to find the right keyword to use before you have even made a video. This probably sounds counterintuitive, but allow me to explain. To maximize your YouTube channel growth into a cash cow, you only want to be creating videos that you can rank well for in YouTube searches, as making videos that you won't be able to associate with a good keyword that can bring you traffic isn't going to get you the growth you want. Therefore, finding keywords that you can use and rank well for prior to making the video allows you to know before investing all of the time and money associated with creating a video that it will provide you with traffic. Think of doing keyword research prior to insurance. Now, this leads us to keyword research. How do you find the right keyword to use or to make a video about? Well, there are actually a few ways you can do this. The first and most obvious way to do this is to simply begin brainstorming a list of keywords or phrases that are relevant to your video's topic. These can be words or phrases that you think people might use to search for videos like yours. However, this isn't really backed up by any analytical data to suggest the competition of these words. That is where YouTube keyword search tools come into play. Keyword search tools allow you to find popular keywords related to your topic. These services can help you find keywords that are driving traffic to other videos similar to yours, and further will allow you to analyze the competition for each keyword. Look at the number of videos that are already using the keyword and their view count. Also, take a look at the title and tags of the videos to understand what they have done to rank for that keyword. Ideally, you want to select keywords that are relevant to your video and have a good search volume but relatively low competition. These are the keywords that you can optimize your video for, which will help it show up in search results and attract more views. Use your selected keywords in your video's title, description, and tags. Make sure to use them naturally and avoid stuffing them into your video's metadata. Monitor the performance of your video and use the data to make any necessary adjustments to your keyword strategy. It's worth noting that keyword research is an ongoing process, as search trends change over time, so you may need to update your keywords periodically. There are lots of tools available to help you with YouTube keyword research, as well as any other platform's keyword research in general, such as SEO for websites. Some popular options that we recommend using are TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Keyword Tool, SEMrush, Ubersuggest, Ahrefs. These tools can give you an idea of what people are searching for on YouTube, the search volume and competition of specific keywords, and the keywords that your competitors are using. It's important to remember that the tools are just a guide, and you should always use your own judgment and common sense when choosing the keywords. And there you have it. Hopefully, after watching this video, you should understand what YouTube keywords are, the difference between low and high competition keywords, how they work, and how to research them. This educational video has been created to help guide you to create your very own cash cow YouTube automation channel. So if you want to see our other videos on similar topics, please like and subscribe. Until next time, see you later, automators.